red and white. A is for astronaut, flying in the night. Let's all sing with me and learn today. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels help in words, it's true. Sing them loud, sing them clear. Vowels are the sounds we hear. E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for eggs, crack them all day long. Say it loud, learning vowels makes us proud. I is for igloo, cold and white. I is for insect, buzzing in flight. Say it now, vowels make words, we'll show you how. For octopus, swimming around. O is for oranges, juicy and round. Just like so, say the sound and watch it go. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. U is for unicorn, galloping by. Ooh, 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 sing with cheer. Vowels help us year by year.